Taking down Hardie is something that is very difficult to do because it's not the product's fault.
It is a traditional lap, so it's what people are used to seeing.
Unfortunately, too many people are used to seeing this. Hardie siding that wasn't installed right.
It's not just an aesthetic or a look that we're going for, but the main purpose is water management so that the water runs down the wall.
James Hardie doesn't rot, but there are times when it needs to be replaced.
The Hardie before was not installed correctly.
This will be the first time Hardie siding has been properly installed on this home. It's not the only first.
We had to add in studs, add the sheathing, and then the nailing pattern was also critical because the Hardie wasn't nailed properly before.
You're looking at the first home in our area that gets to show off James Hardie's latest product. V-groove.
Nail across the top here, and then when this piece goes over, you actually hide the nails. That reduces the need to caulk the home.
This is probably my favorite product from an aesthetic standpoint, mostly because of how it sits on the wall.
The function is still to protect your home, just with added style.
The board will fit flat on the wall, so for a little bit more modern look and something different than what they're used to with Hardie materials.
Not everything about V-groove is new.
This product being a Hardie material, it's going to be more durable, it's not going to rot, won't burn, bugs don't eat it.
The worrying doesn't stop there.
When Hardie is installed correctly, whether it's lap siding or lock joint, it has a 30-year warranty.
Groovy new James Hardie siding, properly installed by Home Exterior Systems, a certified Home Show Pro. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.